Hi friend, this is Peter Bain and welcome to the site intro to forexmentor.com, home of the big dogs. I'm going to talk about trading the Forex. Today, more specifically, I'm going to talk about scalping, and the question is, what do you do during these periods of stale price action where price is slithering sideways in the form of price equilibrium or consolidation, as shown in these various price patterns that I talk about at forexmentor.com. For example, this is a downtrend continuation pattern on the 15-minute chart for the euro, price moving sideways, choppy market. Here we have a downtrend reversal pattern, again stale price action. Uptrend continuation pattern, price equilibrium or consolidation right here, price slithering sideways. What to do? Uptrend reversal pattern. The question is, how can you make money when price isn't doing much, if anything? Let's talk about scalping, which will satisfy your need for speed. On that note, you should always have a demo account up and running wherever you're trading. Whichever broker you're using, pardon me, you can have a demo account which is renewable every 30 days. Always make sure you have a demo account that you can play around with. That's your sandbox. And when you see a live bankable trade, just take it in your live account. Okay, scalping during periods of price equilibrium or consolidation. That's what we're here to talk to you about today. And let's get going with that. Here we have Bollinger Bands and RSI. Scalping off the 5-minute chart. Could be the 15-minute chart or even lower, but the 5-minute is a good place to be. Here we have price cycling higher. Price exceeds the upper Bollinger Band in the form of an inverted hammer or a shooting star. All the while RSI goes overbought. That's a good place to go short because invariably price will pull within the upper Bollinger Band and retrace to the lower Bollinger Band. Here's an example of a long scalp. Price exceeds the lower Bollinger Band, all the while RSI goes oversold. Good place to go long because price invariably will retrace from within the lower Bollinger Band and head towards the upper Bollinger Band. So a good short and a good long scalp on this 5-minute chart for this particular pair. This is how you trade periods of price equilibrium or consolidation. I talked about the inverted hammer or shooting star here. This is really known as, this candle pair is really known as tweezers, or I like to call them railway tracks. Stevenson would probably also call this an engulfing candle. But a nice turnaround. This is an oops trade. Candle reversal formation. This is an up trade. Candle reversal formation. The other candle pattern that I use, I only use 3. I've talked about 2 of them. The other one I use is a spinning top like this. You can see price reversing on this spinning top, price pulling within the upper Bollinger Band. So those are the 3 candles that I use. Spinning tops, in this case an inverted hammer, railway tracks. Regular hammers work as well. A regular hammer is just the reverse of an inverted hammer or an upside down hammer. You can also, as I teach at forexmentor.com, you can also scalp by using pivot points. And the broker that I use and recommend at forexmentor.com enables you to plot my pivot points on their charts. And what you can do is use the pivot levels as levels of support and resistance to engineer your entry and entry points for scalps. Now let's have a look at MetaTrader, one of my favorite charting packages. Here I have sized the various charts to fit on one screen, which works quite nicely. Here we have the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, and 1-minute chart. Now, see if you see an anomaly here. I'll give you a clue. The red squiggly lines are the 200 EMAs on all of the charts. I want you to just study these charts for a minute and tell me what you think, or tell yourself what you think, and I'll give you the answer in a minute. Okay, we have price above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart, price above the 200 EMA on the hourly chart, above the 200 EMA on the 15-minute chart, again above the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart, but price is below the 200 EMA on the 1-minute chart. This is a good scalp to the north side, good long trade here because price is going the wrong way on the 1-minute chart. That's another way of scalping. Works very nicely. And oh, by the way, I just showed you that you can size your charts down to fit on one screen. Look at this guy. He's using one monitor. You don't need a myriad of monitors to be a successful trader. I mean, there's no reason why you can't have more than one monitor, but that's not going to be the solution to your success. I mean, as you get good at this business, sure, you can add additional monitors, but it's not going to make you a rocket trader just because you have 6 or 7 or 8 monitors. And also, you can trade anywhere that you want, provided you have the room equipped to do so. Now, let's look at another scalp, another type of scalping. Here we have price above the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. All the while, price was below the 200 EMA on the higher level charts, the 15-minute and 1-hour charts, not shown in this demo. Price on the 5-minute chart for the euro going the wrong way, above the 200 EMA. Good scalp here, good short trade because price is going the wrong way. Further illustrated, the euro 5-minute chart. Here we have different example, different trade. Price above the 200 EMA. On the higher level charts, on the 1-minute, pardon me, the 1-hour and 15-minute charts, price was below the 200 EMA. Price going in the wrong direction on the 5-minute chart. Good scalp here, facilitated by a trend line break right here, confirmed by MACD punching down through its trigger line. I talk all about these things like trend lines and trend line breaks and confirmation by MACD, uses of MACD, and so on at forex.com. I also talk about the only 7 things that work that will make you money consistently the Forex. So please join me at forex.com. I'll show you how you can do that in a minute. Appreciate you attending to this short video, and I wish you every success with your trading. Now, I've only spoken to you briefly during this video. I have a very comprehensive Big Dogs course, as you can see shown on your screen. Very comprehensive, lots of reading material, lots of CDs, DVDs, over 19 hours of Big Dog secrets exposed in my course, and I'm offering you a special price. Here's the link at the bottom of your screen. Just make note of that link, type it into your browser, and you will receive a special discount just for you by purchasing my Big Dogs course at that link. Just make note of that link, type it into your browser, and check it out, friend. Special pricing for new subscriber members only. This is a limited time offer. Friend, thank you for going through this video. See you next time. This is Peter Bain. Bye for now.